I'm Rebecca Axelson, and today I'm going to talk to you about the digestive system. So, the digestive system is many organs working together to take food and convert it into energy and nutrients for the whole body. And that definition comes from innerbody.com. Okay, so this chart, if you can see it, goes through the organs that the digestive system goes through, and it talks about what movement takes place, and it also talks about the digestive juices that are used and the food particles that are broken down. So for example, it talks about the mouth, and the movement is chewing, and the digestive juices used are saliva, and the food particles that are broken down are the starches. And then the next one is esophagus, and the movement is swallowing, and then the stomach, and so on. So for digestion, there are 4 steps that you go through. The first one is ingestion. So ingestion is the act of eating which occurs in your mouth. When food enters the mouth, the salivary glands secrete saliva, which helps you break down the food. So that's the first step. Step 2 is digestion. Digestion is the mechanical act of breaking down the food into pieces that are small enough for your body to absorb. So digestion consists of 2 different phases, and the first is the mechanical act of food being broken down into smaller pieces so that the chemical process can take place, and the second phase is the actual chemical breakdown of food into enzymes. This step takes place in the pharynx and the esophagus. So step 2 continued, digestion breaks down the polymers in food that we eat into monomers. This process allows essential nutrients to be digested into the body and be available to the body, like I said earlier, to create energy. So during this process, proteins are split into amino acids, polysaccharides into monosaccharides, and nucleic acids into nucleotides. So fats are also split into parts of glycerol and fatty acids. So step 3 of digestion is absorption. So during absorption, the cells in the digestive tract absorb the molecules such as amino acids and sugars. So these nutrients travel in blood and combine to build a cell's large molecules. They can also be broken down to provide energy. So those who eat more than necessary produce extra molecules, and these extra molecules are then converted into fat, which adds the fat onto your body. This step takes place in the stomach and the small intestine. So stage 4 of the digestive system is elimination. During this stage, unused food passes out of the digestive tract, out of the body. This step starts in the large intestine, or the colon, which is responsible for processing waste, so that excretion is easy and convenient for your body. Stool passes through the colon by means of peristalsis. When the colon becomes full of stool, it empties into the rectum to complete the stage of elimination, the 4th stage. Okay, so the summary, just a little summary of the digestive system. So it's a vital process in your body, and there are 4 main stages to the digestive system. In case you forgot, it's ingestion, when the food comes into your mouth; digestion, the chemical breakdown; absorption, when the body is absorbing the nutrients to get energy; and elimination, when the body is getting rid of everything that it doesn't need. This system starts in the mouth, goes through the pharynx and the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, or colon, and finishes in the rectum or anus. Okay, so a couple fun facts about the digestive system. Peristalsis allows you to digest food in your digestive tract while you are laying down. So if you're laying down, it allows you to not stop digestion and hurt your body. It allows you to just keep digesting, like while you're sleeping or something. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which is the same acid that masons actually use to clean bricks, which is kind of fun. So your digestive system has its own mini brain because it has its own nervous system. And this nervous system is called the enteric nervous system. And these fun facts are from verywell.com. Okay, so this is my works cited, and it has the 3 sources, and I also used the book. And that's all. Have a good day, guys.